want to avoid getting grounded, come see us.
We've been grounded since 2023 because we were horrid, naughty children.
Get back inside the house, and both of you are grounded. Don't see them.
Rosie and Classic Cody, you both are grounded.
I didn't do anything.
And I agree with Classic Cody.
Worth it.
We always like being naughty, because we were born like that, and that was so because
We always cause trouble. We get grounded all the time.
Rosie gets grounded series.
Seeking wall. Present. Classic Cody pulls the fire alarm and Rosie breaks the fire alarm system. Meanwhile, after recess and lunch.
All right, guys, so Miss Martin and my class are switching after recess and lunch today. I teach math and science only, but Miss Martin teaches reading, grammar, writing, and much more except math and science. So everybody, go get your chemistry science books and we will do an experiment.
I'm going to pull the fire alarm.
Okay, everybody, this is a fire drill. Let's go outside.
I'm going to do this for my own good.
Get into my office this very instant.
1 hour later in Principal of the Thing's office.
Rosie, we all cannot believe you would do such a very bad thing like this. Breaking the fire alarm system? This is a very serious thing. People need fire alarms. They go off to let us all know if there is a real fire.
Principal, can you just make the alarm more quieter? It is making my ears drip blood.
I understand that it's startling for you, but it's the law that the fire alarms need to be loud. We have reviewed your behavior and found severe repeated violations of our school's community guidelines. Because of this, you are officially expelled from Pelagon School.
What? No, you can't do that. I have lots of friends here. I can't be expelled.
Then maybe you shouldn't have broken the fire alarm. Now get out of my office, out of my school, and out of my life.
Well, Rosie, it was nice knowing you.
So, we have decided on what your lifetime punishment is going to be.
We are sending you away to Alabama. You are going to live in Baldy's schoolhouse.
You've got to be kidding me.
We're not. We heard it this time. This family cannot stand someone who is naughty. So go pack up your stuff when we get home. We called the school and you are leaving first thing tomorrow.
You may visit us for holidays.
Yes, guys.
Meanwhile, at school.
Poor Rosie. She must be very sad that she is not coming back here.
Excuse me, Classic Cody. Is this your backpack, Classic Cody? It was found right under the fire alarm. Inside my office now. We are going to talk about this.
And then Classic Cody got suspended for pulling the fire alarm. The next day.
Now, Rosie, before you go, we just wanted to know that we love you and we will never forget you, but we're doing this for your own good. We are sorry that we have been so harsh.
No, Daddy, it's my fault. I shouldn't have broken the fire alarm system.
Warning. Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. I cannot make Baldy bald in any scenes, because he might get a floating head glitch. Viewer discretion is advised.
Don't worry.
Your daughter will be okay. She is going to do exactly what I say.
Once at Alabama.
Oh my god, that must be the place. Okay, listen up, fools. I am here because my parents are disappointed in me and can't stand myself at their house. So I will be staying at Baldy's schoolhouse until I learn better. I will be doing lots of works here, finding 4, 7, and 9 notebooks, and escaping the schoolhouse. But hey, at least I might be able to escape 3 floors inside the schoolhouse. The schoolhouse doesn't even have security cameras, but my principal is going to be up that school too. But after I escape from Baldy's schoolhouse, I will steal his bus and drive back to my house. Well, it looks like I'm stuck here, and there's nothing I can do to escape. I'll just listen to Mr. Baldy and do whatever he says.